still get it for the gusto. Young hot head, man, cutthroat. All these nass on don't go. Kick back and serve off them O's.
Alright, another day. So the car technically runs.
Drives.
It runs and drives. There we go. Runs and drives. Radiator's on. Everything's hooked up. Coolant dump is kind of just right there right now. Not a big deal. But haven't really shown much of this. The new bash bar and tube front. So it's all put together. Bumper fits on nicely. We're just pulling the fenders off right now because we still have a little bit of issue with that control arm. But we're gonna build another one pretty quickly here, so we should be okay. Apparently me and Maj are gonna go for a spinner on the block. We got a welded diff and then 2 different size tires in the rear, so it's gonna skip quite a bit. But we're gonna give it a shot. It's nice just to drive your car around, isn't it? After it's been sitting in the garage for
16 years.
Yeah, basically. All right, let's let it rip.
The old negative fell off. Wouldn't you believe it?
There we go. Oh, it's very mild.
And then once you take a turn, feel the steering bind up nice and good.
Ooh.
Skippy did.
Ooh.
Yeah, well.
The back end bounces because of the different tire sizes. There it goes.
Tire rubbing. Yeah, I'm taking it easy.
Yeah, take it super easy. Yeah, this thing is. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
This alignment is so fucking whack.
I bet you're scrubbing hard.
Oh.
Oh, is it the brakes?
I wonder if my wheel's about to fall off.
I don't think so.
I guarantee you I haven't torqued them yet.
Oh, jeez. Are we gonna make this? You can feel it's so weird because like you can feel the front end bind up,
And then the back end.
and then the back end starts skipping because of the welded diff and different size tires. Oh man,
Our temp gauge is right in the middle.
that's good. Except that one doesn't even fucking work.
That's okay.
Oh no.
You need to raise the back. Or actually, I just need to get a smaller tire in the back.
Yeah, you'll be okay with a smaller tire, but
Got some nice rubbage.
oh yeah.
Turn the key off. Oh my goodness.
All right. Hey, she runs and drives.
Hell yeah.
Taking some new photos for the Instagram now that the car runs and drives. So be on the lookout for that. Check out our Instagram. I'm gonna put it in the description and I'll put it right here, right there. Go follow us on Instagram. Oh, we got hood pins now too. We're gonna talk about that. Been a lot of stuff that I didn't get filmed. Put some more shots of the front end and stuff in this right now.
Pineapple Fanta with a special activist. Why you sipping so much? Cause I'm Chris Travis, bitch. Can't leave your own city. What the fuck they tell you? Your bitch mouth game tight, but that pussy well loose. Hardball in the south, bitch. I'm straight out of Memphis, sipping codeine. Bitch, don't try to tell me about my kidneys, mirror seats, leather red windows, well dark tinted. Try to get you a line that's gonna cost your ass 50, bitch. I'm good where you niggas ain't in your own. Bitch, I'm never not high. Don't say you gon' get me, bitch, when you the dead guy. I ain't even spitting bars, but I ain't telling lies. Chris Travis stay broke, you a goddamn lie. Nigga, I be on my shit, and that's how I survive. I ain't about to rush shit, I ain't even in my prime. Fuck up career with one punch line. Beat a nigga ass down in a fucking lunch line. Killing all these lame rappers cause it's fucking crunch time. Bitch, I go.
Pull up on your block and we squirting nines. Niggas wanna duke it, this the right time. Counting up pallet bands. Using my guap as a face fan. Case Supreme, that's my right hand. Niggas my